The infiltration of communism in America, understanding its economic impact. There is a common misconception that America is governed by unbridled capitalism, with free markets trampling on the poor. However, this belief fails to grasp the true nature of capitalism and the extent of communism in the United States. To understand the economic landscape of America, it is essential to examine the source material, such as Karl Marx's The Communist Manifesto. In the next few minutes, we will explore the 10 pillars of communism outlined in the manifesto and analyze how they relate to the current state of America's economy. Abolition of private property. According to Marx, communism seeks to abolish private property and transfer ownership to the government. While America does not fully align with this pillar, certain aspects, such as property taxes and government-owned land, indicate a move towards centralized control. Progressive income tax. The implementation of a progressive income tax, where higher earners pay a larger percentage of their income in taxes, is a hallmark of communism. In the United States, the tax system follows this principle, with tax brackets ranging from 10% to 37%. Abolition of inheritance rights. Although America still allows individuals to pass on their wealth to their children, the existence of an inheritance tax suggests a partial alignment with this communist pillar. The government's ability to tax inherited wealth undermines the individual's right to dispose of their property as they see fit. Confiscation of property from immigrants and rebels. While America does not confiscate property from immigrants and rebels, this pillar is not applicable to the current economic landscape. Centralization of credit. The establishment of the Federal Reserve in 1913 aligns with the communist pillar of centralizing credit in the hands of the state. The Federal Reserve's control over banking and money creation gives the government significant influence over the economy. Centralization of education and transportation. The government's involvement in communication and transportation, including media influence and regulation of information flow, indicates a level of centralization. However, it does not fully align with the communist ideal of complete control. Centralization of means of production. Communism seeks to control the means of production, dictating what is made, who makes it, and the allocation of resources. While America allows private ownership of factories and production facilities, government regulations and interventions impact the flow of resources. Equal liability to work. The concept of equal liability to work, where everyone must work a specific number of hours, is not fully applicable in America. However, the average American works nearly 38 hours per week, often due to financial constraints and high tax burdens. Combination of agriculture and manufacturing. The communist ideal of controlling the flow of resources and dictating production decisions is not fully realized in America. However, government regulations and subsidies do influence the agricultural and manufacturing sectors. Free education and abolition of child labor. The provision of free public education and the elimination of child labor align with the communist pillar of combining education with industrial production. The public school system in America has been criticized for its focus on creating a workforce rather than fostering individuality. Conclusion. While America is often perceived as a capitalist nation, an analysis of the 10 pillars of communism reveals that the country has moved closer to the ideals outlined in the Communist Manifesto. Although not all pillars are fully realized, various aspects, such as progressive taxation, government control over credit, and public education, indicate a shift towards centralized control. Understanding these economic dynamics is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of America's economic landscape.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.